You ever have that feeling where you're just drowning in data, but you're starving for actual insights? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to break down the Medallion Architecture. It's a really powerful but surprisingly simple idea that helps companies turn that data chaos into real clarity. Let's jump in.
So let's kick things off with a question that might hit a little too close to home. You've gone to all the trouble of collecting just massive amounts of data, right? But is it just sitting there, kind of murky, disorganized, a mess that's basically impossible to use? It's a super common problem. The dream of a pristine data lake can turn into the nightmare of a data swamp real fast. But what if there was a clear path out of that swamp? A methodical way to take all that raw, messy data and refine it into something genuinely valuable, something your business can actually use to make decisions. Well, that's the journey we're about to go on.
And that path, it has a name: the Medallion Architecture. Now, don't think of this as some rigid set of rules you have to follow. It's more like a map, a logical guide that takes your data on this deliberate trip from its rawest form all the way to a state of polished perfection.
So what is it really? At its heart, the Medallion Architecture is just a layered way to structure data inside a data lakehouse. The entire point is to incrementally improve the data as it flows through the system. You're making it more reliable, higher quality, and better performing with every single step. The whole thing is built on 3 distinct layers, and they're named just like Olympic medals: bronze, silver, and gold. Each layer represents a totally crucial stage in the data's life, taking it from raw to cleaned, and finally to being ready for your business to use. All right, let's start at the very beginning of the journey, the bronze layer. This is our foundation. It's the single source for every piece of data coming into our system.
The number one rule for the bronze layer is dead simple: capture everything exactly as it comes in. This is the raw, unfiltered, completely unprocessed version of your data. Think of it as a perfect mirror of your source systems at any given moment in time.
The key word here is immutable. You never, ever, ever modify data in the bronze layer. Now, why is that so important? Because this layer is your permanent historical archive. If you find a bug in your pipeline down the road or you need to do an audit, you can always come back to this pristine, original source and rebuild everything. Data from all your systems, APIs, logs, databases, IoT sensors, it all lands here, warts and all.
Okay, so once that raw data has landed safely in bronze, it's ready for the next step, the silver layer. I like to call this the workshop. This is where the real work, the real transformation begins.
Here in silver, we take that raw material from bronze and we start to refine it. Now, we're not doing any big business-level summaries yet. That's coming later. The focus here is all about cleaning, validating, and structuring the data into a format that's way more reliable and easy to query for our more technical users.
The name of the game here is data quality. This is where we handle stuff like standardizing all our date formats, filtering out duplicates, maybe joining a few different data sets together to get a more complete picture. And just as important, we're storing this cleaned up data in super efficient formats like Parquet or Delta Lake. That just means it's way, way faster for our analysts and data scientists to work with.
And finally, we arrive at the top tier, the gold layer. If silver was the workshop where all the hard work happened, then gold is the polished showroom, where we display the final, beautiful, business-ready products.
This is it. This is the data your business actually runs on. It's been scrubbed, transformed, and aggregated to answer specific business questions. Things like, what was our revenue last quarter? Or who are our most valuable customers? This becomes the highly optimized single source of truth for all your reports and your analytics. And this is where you really see the payoff. The gold layer is what feeds your BI dashboards. It's what your machine learning models train on. And it's what drives huge business initiatives like customer segmentation or predictive analytics. We organize the data into familiar structures like fact and dimension tables, so it becomes totally intuitive for business users who, aren't data engineers. So let's just put it all together side by side. You can see this really clear progression, right? We start with raw, messy files in bronze, which really only data engineers should be touching. That gets refined into clean, query-able tables in silver, perfect for data scientists and analysts. And finally, that gets transformed into these beautiful, aggregated, business-focused views in gold, ready for your executives and BI teams. Each layer has a very distinct purpose, a specific format, and a clear audience.
Okay, theory is great, but let's make this a little more concrete. How would this actually work in a real-world company?
Let's say a typical e-commerce business.
So picture an e-commerce website. Every single click, every purchase, every page view, all that data streams into the bronze layer as raw JSON events. Then, some processing jobs, maybe using Spark, kick in. They clean this data, get rid of bot traffic, standardize user IDs, and save the result to the silver layer. From there, another job aggregates this clean data into business-level tables in the gold layer, like daily revenue by region. And finally, that gold data is what powers the CEO's sales dashboard and the fraud detection models. See? From raw to value.
So you might be thinking, okay, what specific tools do I need to build this? And the great news is, Medallion is a design pattern, not some proprietary product. You can implement this using pretty much any of the major cloud data platforms out there, whether you're on Databricks, Snowflake, Google BigQuery, or Azure Synapse.
All right, to wrap things up, let's just do a quick-fire round of best practices. We already hammered this home, but keep your bronze layer immutable. It's also super critical to have rigorous data validation happening in the silver layer. That's how you prevent garbage in, garbage out. And please, don't forget governance. Set up proper access controls for each layer so people only see the data they're actually supposed to.
So why do we go through all this trouble? Because the Medallion architecture isn't just about being neat and tidy. It's about building a solid foundation for robust data governance. It's about creating pipelines that can actually scale. Ultimately, it gets your organization's data ready for success with both business intelligence and AI. For any modern data pro, this isn't just a nice-to-have. It's a fundamental pattern for success. And that brings us to our final thought. This architecture gives you a clear map to unlock the massive potential that's just sitting there, hiding in your data. So the question I want to leave you with is this. What incredible value is currently locked away in your raw data, just waiting for the right structure to finally bring it to light?